And this is number 4 on the Chapter 7 Quiz 8. And the first one says simplify the square root of 60. So on this one, I need to find, if I have the square root of 60, I need to find 2 factors that would go into 60. So I have, I could say 20 and 3, right? Those are 2 factors that go into 60. Then I can still factor down 20 into, let's say, 4 and 5. And then I could look at it and I could say, what is the square root of 4, square root of 5, square root of 3? Well, I have in here, I can get out the square root of 4, which would be 2, and then I could combine those 2 together and times them, and it would be 15. So my answer could be 2 and then the square root of 15 for A. And then B, on this one, what I would do is I have the 2 out there. I'm going to bring this over here so we have a little bit more space. But I have 2, and then I have the square root of 12, which I'm going to break down 12 to 4 times 3, right? And then if I'm taking the square root of 4, the square root of 3, the square root of 4 would be 2, so I can bring that out. I'm going to times it by that 2. And then I have the square root of 3. So my answer will be 4 and the square root of 3 on that one. And that one's for number 4. And C, on this one, what is the cubed root of 81? What I'm going to do is, first of all, break down 81 into its factors. So I know 81 is a perfect square of 9 times 9. So then I want to factor those down into 3 times 3 and 3 times 3, right? So then I have all these 3. I'm looking for a group of 3. So I have these 3, so I can pull them out, but I still have one more. So it's going to be 3 and the square root of 3 to get the answer. And that is the answer to C.